It's a close match. Carolyn's ahead, but Ivan is catching up. It is still super close. Ivan is making his move. Don't touch skis, you'll fall. Do not touch skis. Oh my gosh, it's close to the finish. Wow, you guys. What a race.
Okay, I gotta go find them. I won because of skating.
You did a great job, P. Yes, Ivan. Okay, we'll follow you. Good job, bye.